This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, a rear spoiler, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Andy Mohr Avon Nissan is located at 8867 East Highway 36 in Avon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.